You have the Nokia. This is the C210. It looks like this. 2 cameras, Nokia. A little bit of texture. You need to factory reset, hard reset, clean and wipe your device. So let's get right into it. We start by holding volume down and power. I like to push volume down a little bit first and then power, but basically at the same time. So volume down, power. And basically we're going to let go immediately. All right. So the internal menu starts right here with start. So we're going to use the volume keys to scroll 2 times. 1 time brings up the restart bootloader. 2 times brings up the recovery mode. And this is where we want to go. So we're going to press power for OK. Now, after a few more seconds, we're waiting for the fallen Android or the no command screen, which a lot of people call it that. At this screen, fallen Android, no command, now we're going to hold down the power key and then quick touch volume up. Hold down power, quick touch volume up. Now we're in the Android recovery menu and we can do what we need to do. So we're going to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Remember, even though we are erasing the entire phone, you still will need to log in with your Google or Gmail account to get back into the phone. With that said, let's press power for OK. Also, it will wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Every app, every contact, photo, everything. All right, scroll down once for factory data reset. Press power for OK. And your phone may take many minutes or just a few seconds to get that data wipe is complete. So if it takes kind of a long time, it's all right. It just takes longer. So now it's safe to reboot the system. Now, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe, and please watch this video next.